Hi guys, the daylight saving had already started and I didn't know that. So, with that being said, let's do a quick analysis. This is got on 4 hour time frame. You can see it taking support from here, but you can see this support is kind of weak. So, on 15-minute time frame, no any order flow. 1 hour seems kind of choppiness. 15-minute also at the area of selling, but still not. Can't think of this right now. So GBUSD on 4 hour time frame. NC market is bearish but taking support. I don't think the support will hold because market is proper bearish. So the order flow, what is the area from where sellers might step in? This is the area, but I don't think they will step in now. So do we have any order flow? Yes, sir. We have one order flow over here. So market if taps here, I would be interested for sales. 1 hour, it's showing kind of choppiness from here, so we can't take trades based on 1 hour. 4 hour is showing some bearishness in Euro USD, and where we are at the area of resistance. So 4 hour selling area would be this. So it's long way to come over there. NZT USD also some sort of bearishness. 15-minute USD card. Just let me filter everything properly. Yes, sir. USD JPY properly trade can be seen, but this is the area from where I would like to see buyers stepping in. So, do we have any order flows here? Yes, order flows over here, but this is way too far. So we just wait for that. Wait, wait. US 30. Oh, yes, sir. Hopefully, this would be the area from where sellers might be stepping in. So, do we got any order flows here? Yeah, sir. We got one order flow over here, which is upside. So, for the moment being, we have to wait like this. So, we can't take buys because we are at the area of resistance. So, we just gotta wait at that as well. So, gold, we just wait. Now, I have to do some fresh analysis, proper analysis now. So that would analysis was just a view of everything. Euro USD looks so good for me to sell. So in 1 hour time frame, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers. We are at the area of gap, so we don't know if that area is selling area or buying area. This candle is already printed bullish, and this candle has already formed some sort of big. But what is our right time? This is kind of bearish. So this here looks confusing to me. This also looks confusing, honestly. This looks proper cells. Actually, oh, sorry. So, sellers, buyers. This is the only area where we have for sellers to step in. So, guys, if market comes to this area, we have one order flow over here. Proper order flow. If market taps over here, there's high chance market will reverse from here, but I just need to wait market to tap over that zone. If it taps, it's so good. So yes, USD CAD would be USD JPY, USD CAD sell side. So let's analyze USD JPY. USD JPY, what we can see, complete bullish bias. What we can see in hourly 4 hour, this zone looks valid. 15 minute, we have any order flow here? It's very far. So our attempt this is buys. It means on 15-minute time frame, this is the area from where buyers might step in. Do we got any order flows left? Was this the order flow? No. So look, I think we have some opportunities over here. So let's do our item analysis properly. What is our item frame saying? Proper bullish. What is 1 hour saying? Buyers are aggressive, sellers are weak. Sellers can take price down. What is 15 minutes saying? 15 minutes is saying sellers are kind of strong. Buyers are weak. Sellers are also weak. Buyers are also weak. Sellers, but we are at the area of support. So on 1 minute time frame, buyers, sellers, buyers. This is the big order flow. So this is the part of that big order flow. So if market just goes a little bit above and comes to this sort of area, then I would be interested for buys. And my target would be, this would be my break even area, and this would be kind of my full target area. But this would be also my trading SL area. It's a good place to take profit at. Is this a clean range? Yes, this is the clean range as well. So at this moment, I just gotta wait for market to come and tap at my point for USD CAD, USD JPY. If USD JPY trade AUD USD, let's see AUD USD, right? AUD USD, yeah. Let's see. But this is the area from where you can enter directly. But I will be waiting for this area, and I'll be waiting for some kind of rejection, because this is kind of choppy area at 15 minute as well. This is the low of the range. So I am interested. Else I would not be interested. So let's see. This is the area from where buyers have the chance to push the price up. So kind of, yes, this is the order flow. So let's see. AUD USD. So will be my possible setup for now. AUD USD. Let's see. USD JPY. AUD USD. 4 hour, I can see some kind of bearishness, but still we are at support, and see the selling pressure is not too strong. That means at any point you can get a breakthrough above. If you want to swing trade, you can simply buy from this area if you find any buying area over here. Because see, it's so easy, because from this order flow, hopefully, because this is the area from where buyers might step in, and we can see the slowdown of sellers, also the buyers at that point. With that being said, if USD comes to my entry area, I'll be just entering B area, full target, but my full target would be around here. But let's see. But if it presents me with some entry opportunities, else I'm happy with no trade, because no trading is better than trading the taking the bad trades. US 30. Honestly, bro, US 30 looks so good to sell for me from the like order flows above here, but it does not falls under my trading time. So I just have to be cautious on this. 1 hour looks kind of bearish, but where is for we have a clean kind of range. Sellers, buyers, sellers. Sellers are strong, weak. Buyers are kind of strong. These are the areas, but this is a huge order flow. But your SDJPY and USD CAD. If USD CAD comes to this zone, it would be so good. So what's my either you're gonna be profitable by wait, if my entry taps and I will show you. The only scenario for you to be profitable is either you have a good win rate, either you have a good risk to reward trade. This is the area from where buyers might step in. So let's analyze this properly. But sellers, buyers, 4 hour we can see the rejection area is here. 1 hour also this is not the rejection area, and 15 minute also can be similar. Sellers, buyers are kind of strong, but we just need this. We just need to wait for this candle to close. Then it will be decided whether we're gonna support this order flow or no. Let's see. Yes, US 30 is also one of my playlist. Please, bro, please come. With taps here, it's gonna be game over, and I can't enter in this trade. Let's see. US 30 might also print some setup because see, 4 hour we have selling area over here, and market has not tapped over there yet, which means there's no much selling pressure now in the market, but still sellers are interested, right? Buyers, sellers are kind of weak at this moment for the pullback by still this point. And buyers, sellers, see, buyers are kind of strong, which means this is smaller time frame. We can see buyers are taking control, but the higher time frame is just varies from this point, and we don't have any order flows left over here until here. So until that point, we can just buy. So in buyers, sellers, see this time frame, buyers, sellers are kind of strong, sellers are kind of strong, buyers are so strong. See, which means they have the ability to take the price up to this point minimum and over this point maximum. So we just gotta wait for this candle to close first. Ah man, this hurt so much. But USD cat, honestly speaking, bro, this area is not the area to take sales because see, sellers are so weak, buyers are coming so strong, so they might smash at any time. This is the also the area from where buyers might step in. Every area is the area from where buyers might step in. So if this order flow does not plays out, we have this order flow left in the market, which is the extreme one. We just have to wait for some minute, 1 minute 30 seconds. And either it's gonna belong from this area or from this area. But I will just wait. Patience is the name of the game. Please, bro, come to my zone. Please tap my zone. Beautiful. 4 hour, I can see buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers. Sellers are kind of strong, bro. From this zone, which means the order flow is over here. Market has not tapped this order flow. Shit, man. Went to my take profit without me entering, guys. What can I do? See, now this candle printed proper kind of bearish, but still our bias is kind of short-term bullish. Sellers. Actually, this trades looks so doubtful to me. US 30 now. This trade was solid. USJPY, but it hit our take profit. Actually, we just want to see sellers. Like, this should just be slowing down into my area. Like, this should come being very slow. Know what I mean? This is also the area for 15 minutes. We had any out of those. This was the entire order flow, right? So could we sell from here until where? What do you think, chat? Chat. See, sellers are so strong, buyers are weak, which means our time frame thesis is bearish, right? And where we are at buyers, sellers, buyers are weak, sellers are strong, buyers are kind of strong, yeah. And buyers has not been able to. The sellers has not been able to take this place out. Means if market once steps over here, I'll be interested for sales again. This from because this was the only order flow left for market to take orders and drop from, because above this we don't have any order flow. So if market comes around this area, I would be interested for sales, and I will just be keeping BU over here, and this my full take profit would be here. So Euro USD is good. as well. US 30 looks kind of doubtful. This trade was good, just didn't play it out. Euro USD should play because I can see this is also the selling area and we are overall in downtrend. So if this candle just comes over here, I'll be just looking for shots. Because market has taken so many orders from here, see, just rejects, rejects, rejects. So, but I don't think it will come to my area now. It will just reject, I think. But if it comes, hopefully, then I will be entering because the logic is so simple. See, 4 hour is bearish, it's hourly doing proper bearish. But it's 15 minutes showing buyers with strong sellers are weak. Buyers, sellers are so strong. See, buyers are so weak. See, buyers are so weak, which means most likely sellers are gonna stay in. From which zone? From these zones. And do we have any order flows in these zones? No, we don't have any order flows left in this zone. So, in the case we don't have any order flow, we just mm, mark the order flow that has been created recently. So, this was the order flow created recently. So, this was the selling area exactly like this. It was daylight saving time, guys, and I didn't realize that, so we missed this trade. We missed a good opportunity in the market. So, can we buy from this point? No. Yes. And it just dropped. Mm, this is already my break-even area, so now I can't take any trades from here. So I just missed this trade, guys. Just missed this trade. 4 hour possible selling area, 15 minute. Series of weak buyers and strong sellers are also coming strong, but sellers was kind of strong. So, but still, this is the area, but this be the possible scenario. Let me just analyze it properly. Sellers, buyers, sellers, yes, buyers, sellers, buyers are kind of strong. Sellers are. So this candle is proper bearish. So So it is better just to avoid this trade, just stay out of the market, no matter even if the chart hits TP, because when it looks doubtful, it is doubtful. When it is doubtful, it is most probably to lose. So, bro, we just missed this Euro USD. I would just enter from this area if I was in the chart, honestly. Just, yeah. So at this point, my psychology is like, I miss this trade, kind of like that. But it's okay. We can't do anything about it. This trade also almost hit our take profit without us being in. So what we should think in this time? Mm, should think like no trading is also proper trading. This will drop hopefully till this point. My idea is just at this one, but this point is more likely making sense, right? So I'm just being so doubtful to trade based off this area because of this candle and this momentum. This momentum should have been like way higher because of these sellers. I'm a bit doubtful, and because market has sellers, buyers are strong, but I don't know why I'm feeling so doubtful on this. But I think on USD CAD, all the time frames are proper bearish. Selling. Let's see this candle. Sellers are so becoming weak. See this candle. See there's no any sellers. Just straight up. What does it means to me? It means this order flow is not gonna be respected potentially because see sellers are so weak. See buyers they're hitting all those selling orders, which means this order flow is most likely not gonna play out. Then, with that being said, just gotta focus on quality over quantity. This was the quality one. Just went without me being in. And Euro USD was the quality one, which I would trust my 100%. Euro entity. So I didn't know, guys. The market, the time has already changed. The UTC time has already been affected. I didn't know that. Euro entity USD. The cat looks bearish. Where we are at selling area. Also the selling area. This is the order flow that we have. We have any other order flows in this zone? No. Bars. So weak versus strong. All other order flows are already mitigated. So if market comes to this point, yes sir, I'm gonna be interested for sales from this point. This is the order flow. The market has already grabbed the liquidity of the other orders. NZT cat. NZT cat. So let me think properly again. 4 hour. What is our item frame bias? Bearish, right? Proper bearish. Where we are at? So selling area. Proper selling area. So what is 15 minutes showing? We are at the order flow. Time frame order flow, which indicates this is the selling area and this is the take profit area. So yeah, makes sense for me to sell. Zero 0.5. So guys, I'm just selling NZD CAD. So guys, from tomorrow, my trading time will a little bit be shifted because the time, like this time already shifted. Guys, see, 12:30 till 2. 12:30 till 2. So I have taken sales and on NZT CAD because we have that good risk to reward ratio. Like if we even lose, we lose $50. Sorry, 50, yeah, $50. But if we win how much? $200. So what is our high time frame bias? I have trust on this trade also. High time frame bias is proper bearish because sellers are so much in control. Sellers, buyers are also becoming weak, which means sellers are more likely to step in. From which area? From the area where previously sellers are interested to sell, which is this zone, this zone, this zone, this zone. It's 15 minutes going. All the other order flows are mitigated, so we just have this order flow left. Market has already grabbed the liquidities as well of these orders, and we just bounce from this area, which means when price comes to this zone, most likely it's gonna head to this zone. So just let's just sell, but also feeling kind of doubtful just because of this low selling pressures. Just bounced this out of flow. Did not expected that, bro. Honestly, but it's good. Which trade it was? NGT cat. NGT. It's gonna be on this side. So from tomorrow, our trading time will be very. What is this? Simple. So our trading time will be from 12:30 p.m. till 2 p.m. Denmark time. So guys, I don't think I took a good decision over this because I'm having kind of doubt over this. I don't know why, but I'm just having doubt on this trade. Still, I just took the decision. It's up to the market. Ah, shit. I know why I took this decision. Low quality trade decision just because I missed the opportunity over this pair and over this pair. So guys, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And this is also a good trade actually. You can see price going to make that upper wick for this 4 hour candle. But if it gives my take profit, it's gonna be a good one. Whatever guys. This was I didn't trust it this even if it went above. I don't care. This one I don't trust because sellers are so weak, buyers are so strong, and hopefully this order flow will not play out for sales. Because now we are outside rejection area and this was the proper buying zone. Like this would be a trade that I would love to trade if this had gone just 1 pip below 2 pip to give me that entry. This trade chat, I will share you the logics and like so look I would be mindful I just want to share you something. So look, what has 4 hour done? 4 hour has made low, low, lower, high, low, low. So this was the point, lower high point. So how do we know this would be like this might be the point of lower high point? Because if price just comes slowly being becoming stagnant, then we like predict this order flows will play out. So these were the zone, this zone and this zone. So did we had any order flows at this zone? No, we had no any order flows. These order flows are completely mitigated. This is the big order flow. You know what, guys? I'm just closing this trade because I know it's gonna hit my SL and it's a low quality trade because this is the order flow. Inside this, all are the order flows. So when the big order flow is mitigated, market will never respect the small order flows, which means so I had closed over there, just over here. Because see when market has already respected the big order flow, it is more likely not gonna respect the smaller order flow because it already had respected the big one, like mitigated. So when price mitigates the big order flow, small order flows will not be working. And I know why I took that trade. Hmm. Honestly, I had not expected this to jump to this point because the way it was forming, like the way it was printing, it was not like it would go up. In my mind, I was like maybe from this point, from other point, not from this point, but just went up or from this order flow, just the extreme order flow, and it's fine, completely fine. And so yeah, pretty much done for the day. This was the break-even point. Market did break even. Was there any news, guys? Is there any news? News 9. No, there was no any news. So why did the market drop so hard? Am I open? Already opened. To 12:30 till 3. 12:30 till 2. So at this point, I am happy that because if I had taken this trade, it will hit my break even because at this point I would have done partials, and on USD JPY if I had taken trade this over here, this would be my break even point, this would be my full take profit to point, so this also would be break even. So this trade I didn't do, it's simple as that. This trade also I didn't do, which means overall it's good for me. I didn't took trade, and this trade I realized early that I entered based on fear of missing out and on the basis of past trades not being played out. So no, past trade not being played out, like on past trades not being entered by me. So this point I took trade with FOMO, and I realized it early, so I quit early. I got the trade early, so it's fine. So I must control this thing, the emotion that's going into my brain. Honestly, bro, this beer, I don't think it will drop because see, the 4 hour it's bearish, but still, see this hourly candle. This candle just might be the retracement to go above. Understand what I mean? See the buying pressure. See the setting. It's so slow. It's so hard, which means most likely this order flow will be broken, broke, to go above. So yes, guys, I'm done for the day. That was the small loss I took due to fear of missing out and FOMO. And that's all. And I'm happy even this trade went up. I'm still happy that I didn't took trade because it was so simple. Everything pointed me to buy, but my gut feeling over this point, like see this kind of over this candle and like price had already went tested this area, so I doubt so it's fine. See you.